One of the great things that we focus on at ScadaFest is architectures of your systems. Where to put your servers, how to configure them, how many servers you need. We support a lot of different things and we see a lot of different things, whether your servers are on-premise or you're in Amazon or Azure or in Google Cloud or any mixture thereof. We spend a lot of time in sessions in ScadaFest talking about how to put these together to best serve your needs. And we have so many experts down there who've worked on these massive systems that we get into for big customers and big brands that you'd be very familiar with, and the lessons we've learned and the best practices to let you build out those good systems and they'll be stable and perform well for you. And we get into a lot of specifics with attendees at the developers den. They'll often come in and discuss their specific architecture, which we can really dive into and get good information and good suggestions for making sure that everything works as well as it possibly can.